Hello friends, my name is Carrie Ann and you're watching Hello Friends Carolinas. Today we are in Horseshoe, North Carolina, which is in Henderson County between Hendersonville and Brevard. And we are doing a home tour. This home has 2 porches, one on the front and the back. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and is beautiful. And I can't wait to show you the inside. Welcome to Six Meadow Drive, a beautiful 1-level home close to Hendersonville and Brevard. It's listed by me, Carrie Ann Chandler with eXp Realty. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled in Horseshoe in the Meadows of Etowah is minutes away from Dupont State Forest and Pisgah National Forest. I love this big front porch, perfect for drinking coffee and watching birds in the morning. This is a turnkey property, ready for its new owners to move in and make it home. When you walk through that front door, you'll be greeted by high ceilings and an open concept dining and living room area. This home has lots of updates, including brand new LPV flooring throughout. It has a gas fireplace and high ceilings. Natural light pours in, and the sellers have customized the window treatments, and those stay with the home. Down the hall, we will find the first full bath. Be sure and take notice of the sink fixture. This was handcrafted by the seller. As we continue on, we'll find 2 large bedrooms with plenty of closet space. This house has a great split bedroom plan. Let's make it to the other side to explore the kitchen. You'll notice modern light fixtures and a gas cooktop. Off to the left of the kitchen, you'll find the primary bedroom. Lots of natural light, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom features a double vanity, again, a unique sink fixture, and a shower with multiple shower heads. Let's hop on over and out the garage door to the expansive backyard. The 2-car garage is not the only storage space. You'll find another smaller garage around the back. It even has a loft for those additional holiday decorations. Let's go back inside, past the laundry room, back into the kitchen. We'll keep exploring as we head outside to the back deck. This beautiful area is great for entertaining. Don't miss the fire pit. And that is Six Meadow Drive, listed at $425 in Horseshoe, North Carolina. Thanks for watching Hello Friends Carolinas. And if you need help finding your home and community, give me a call today.